Is Netflix missing from your Fire Stick? Don't worry, it only takes about 60 seconds to fix. Today, I'm going to show you how to find, download, and pin Netflix to your front menu so it's there every time you turn on your TV. Let's get into it. First, start on your Fire Stick home screen. Use your remote to scroll over to the Find icon. That's the magnifying glass on the left. Once you're there, click down to highlight the search bar. Now, just start typing Netflix. You usually only need the first three letters, N, E, and T, before it pops up in the list below. Go ahead and select Netflix from the suggested results, right here. You'll see the official Netflix app page. Just hit that Get or Download button. It's a small file, so once that progress bar finishes, you're officially installed. But wait, where did the icon go? If you go back home and it's not there, don't panic. Your Fire Stick sometimes hides new apps at the very end of the list. Scroll all the way to the right and click the three-dot icon to see all your apps. See? It was just sitting at the bottom. To keep it on your main menu, hover over Netflix and press the Options button on your remote, the one with the three lines. Select Move to Front. Now Netflix is the very first thing you see. Happy binging!